In this video, I'll show you how to change the pin on your Xiaomi Smart Band 10. So all you have to do is type in your pin to unlock your Smart Band 10. And then once you type in your pin, swipe up from the bottom of the watch face to access all the applications, and then scroll down and select Settings. Now within the settings, scroll down again and find the pin option. So here it is. Tap on it. And then from here, you should see the option Change Pin. So tap on it. And then type in the current pin that you're currently using. So to type it in. And then now you have to type in a new pin. So type in a new pin. And then you have to confirm the pin again. And then once you're done, you should see this notification, pin set. So that's basically it on how to change the pin on your Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.